Go to our course in Moodle and find activity 4, titled Drag the Words. This activity serves as the summary of all the concepts. In this activity, we complete sentences by dragging the correct words. Let's try this one. Let's first carefully read the first question. Blank is a shape whose sides are all connected with no openings. And choose an answer based on what you have learned. Let's answer the next one. Continue dragging the word until you complete the activity. Now, let's check the answers.